Welcome back to Single Step English. Today we've got a fun and useful expression to share with you. It's on me. Let's dive right in. You'll often hear it's on me when someone offers to pay for something. Imagine you're at a cafe with a friend and they want to treat you to coffee. They might say, "Don't worry, the coffee's on me." Or simply, "It's on me." It's a friendly gesture to cover the cost. But guess what? "It's on me" can also mean taking responsibility. Suppose you accidentally spilled your friend's coffee on their computer. You'd say, "Oh no, I'm so sorry. It's on me." This is a polite way to admit fault and offer to make it right. In this case, you should offer to fix your friend's computer. So, whether you're treating someone to a drink or a meal, or taking responsibility for a mistake, "It's on me" is a handy expression you can use. Practice with your friends and see how you can make it part of your English conversation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you next time on Single Step English.